Hello, wait 5 more minutes. Wait 5 more minutes. Okay, what is the Splunk? Today we'll discuss about the topic is Splunk. Wait 5 more minutes. Wait 5 more minutes. Wait 5 more minutes. Okay, today we'll discuss about Splunk. I prepared my notes. Okay, what is Splunk? Means Splunk is one of the monitoring tool to monitor the applications and all the things. How to check CPU utilization and all the things. We will get Splunk tool. In the Splunk tool consists of reporting and a monitoring and log analyzer and alerting and dashboards. Dashboards are there. I will show you the dashboard. Will show you the dashboard. Localhost 8000 is the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Username is Ganesh. Sign in. This is the dashboard. Go to the report and search indexer. Indexer is equal to underscore internal and search over how many days report, 30 seconds report, 1 second, 1 minute and 5 minutes, 2 days report and search. No result. You can type index. Yes, this is the report. This is the report. Okay. This is the Splunk download is see program files. This is the download. Download the folder. See program files. Splunk. This is the download folder with the Splunk. In this where lib Splunk. These are the indexer. All the stores here indexer. Okay, indexer. This is the path. This is the Splunk path. This is the Splunk path. I already mentioned here. Okay, next. What is the Splunk technical? What is the Splunk? Splunk is the log analyzer monitoring tool which communicates the different log files and store the file data in the form of events into local indexes. Local indexes. Everything need to be considered as an index. I will show you how to index. Index. Say index is equal to internal, index is equal to audit, index is equal to configurator. I will do it. See, index is equal to config tracker, index is equal to this up event, and index is equal to ds client and internal introspection, and like this it will be it will comes like this it will comes. Okay, like this it will comes. Okay, like this it will comes. Okay, Splunk server succeeded request. This is the time. This is my host name and Splunk. Oh, this is the ID. Like this, 200 is success. Client. This is the HTTP version 1.1. This is the services and all the things. I will show you how to download the Splunk. I will show you clearly. Wait 2 minutes. Okay, see, Splunk has the capacity to show the data in the form of in the different forms on the dashboards that which is useful to the application users and high level leaderships. Okay, high leaderships. This is the futures of the Splunk. This is Splunk futures. Reporting and monitoring log analyzing. and alerting and dashboards. Wait 5 minutes. Dashboard, different ways to use Splunk, Splunk Enterprise and Splunk Cloud and Splunk Lite. There is different ways to use Splunk, Splunk Enterprise for the business, Splunk Cloud, Splunk Lite, Splunk Lite, Splunk x86 64-bit supports enterprise free comma trial trial. Okay, like this I will show you the dashboard. This is the dashboard, operating system and forwarder, universal forwarder operating system. Okay, operating system, windows, windows 2008 64-bit, enterprise yes, free trial yes, free yes, trial version yes, and universal forwarder yes, forwarder yes, and Windows 2008 R2 server, 64-bit yes, 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 Windows 7. This 32-bit is only free trial uni forwarder, and Windows 8 32-bit only yes, universal forwarder yes, and Windows 2 8.1 same thing. And how to download the Splunk? This is the enterprise version. You can download from your business email ID, download. See, go to Splunk Enterprise, get my free trial. I use my business email ID. I have login, but I can login. If you are no user, you will create the user. I am logging into my business account. Login. I am logging in my business account. Download Windows, Linux, macOS. This is the Splunk Enterprise 9.3.1 version Splunk. This is the latest version. Okay, index 500 MB per day. Sign up, download. 60 days is the trial period. You can duplicate link. You can download and more. You can use more. Download HHA 512 to verify your bits and download. Say download. We can download MSI file, Microsoft installer. See, MSI already I have, but it will be there. Okay, it will download it 50 seconds. So after downloaded, we install the Splunk. install the Splunk. After click MSI installer, or we can use tools MD5 to verify your bits, and universal forwarder is there, or command line we can use get run installer file. Already I have installed, already enterprise already installed on this computer, so it shows like this. Okay, so like this, to install the index, to install the Splunk, by using Splunk we can get the alerts, and we can get the reports and dashboards, and these are the how to create the reports and edit and reports, and all the things are there, and the pricing. Okay, like this it will use. So here, wait, I will put my charging. Okay, now Splunk login URL is this, or we can use login URL HTTP localhost 8000. We can use login URL for the Splunk. This is the Splunk architecture. I will show you the Splunk architecture. This is the Splunk architecture. See, Splunk CLI. We are using Splunk web interface only. We are using other interfaces. In the Splunk engine consists of alerting or scheduling the packages, and reporting knowledge information, and index search, and user permissions, and load balancer URLs, and cloning the server, and data routing, detect the log files, and monitor the files, listen the network ports, and run the script. These are the Splunk architecture. This is the Splunk architecture. Okay, this is the Splunk architecture. Splunk architecture consists of alerting and dashboards, knowledge and distribution, distributed search is nothing but this is the distributed search. This is distributed search. This is the nothing but distributed search. This is distributed search. Okay, sir. This open the time before the time. See, expand. This is the host. This is the get. We can use get, edit tag, method get. We can edit output mode JSON, edit tags, status 200. This is English. Splunk health check. User is Ganesh. Login as a Ganesh user. Internal. This is my host name or server name or my computer name. Okay. Or we can use here audit. Can use audit also. See audit search. I am login. So I will expand this audit trial list health, edit tag audit Ganesh. This is the timestamp. line count indexer. This is the host name. This is the password ID, tenant ID. I will expand this like this. It will show in the real time. Upcoming classes, we are creating the dashboards and the reports and all the things. This is the Splunk components. What are the Splunk components? Nothing but search head and indexers, universal forwarders, and deployment servers. Deployment server, nothing but this is the deployment server. Then deployment server, okay. This is user and access controls, okay. User and access controls and MS. Here, right click, task manager, services. In the services, these are here. Splunk is there. Splunk, Splunk service, server, service. Like this, server is there, okay. Like this, some server, some services are there, Splunk related, okay. Go to details. This is the process IDs and the status. Splunk, okay. Like this, CPU utilization and the memory architecture 64-bit, all 64-bit only, and description. Host process for Windows services, like this. It will be there, okay. This is the architecture of the Splunk. These are the components. These are the components. These are the enterprise version and a free trial and universal driver like that. What is the Splunk Enterprise and what is the Splunk Cloud? Splunk Enterprise collects, analyzes, and acts on the value of data generated by the technology, infrastructure, and the security, and the system, and the business applications. It gives insights how to drive operational performance and business results. What is the Splunk Cloud? Details all the features of the Splunk Enterprise and cloud-based service. The platform to provide access to the Splunk cloud provide access to the Splunk Enterprise app and enable centralized visibility. And what is the Splunk Lite? This is the small organizations. We are using the Splunk Lite. Main industries who cannot use Splunk Lite organizations automates log search and analysis. It speedy troubleshooting by gathering real-time scenarios and distributed applications and infrastructure in one place to enable powerful searches, dynamic dashboards and alerts based on the application and based on the CPU utilization. It will create the dashboards and alerts and reporting for real-time analysis at all attractive price. It will fit in the budget. All are in the budget. This is download and this is the trial version. This is the Splunk default location. Okay, you want to change, you can want to change the Splunk location. This is the login URL for the Splunk. I will show you this. I will log out to this. Okay. After this, administrator account settings and preferences, messages, no messages, settings. In the settings, reports and data and tags and server control and dashboards and user roles and as user creating user and map the user roles, creating new user. I am creating the new user IT middleware administrator. Otherwise IT middleware administrator. Okay, optional and password I am giving. Okay, time zone. Okay, Chennai is there. Okay, and the launcher home, Splunk dashboard studio or Splunk monitoring console, create the user, Splunk monitoring, okay, and expand. Or these are the optional removal, add all, and assign the roles, add, admin, and available. These are the selected. Require password change. No, I acknowledge user, assign the roles, edit. Okay, like this, you can successfully edited user administration. Ganesh, email address. I will change IT info at the rate IT middleware technologies.com administrator, edit, edit changes. Okay, launcher, date and time, user has enrolled, admin active. Okay, like this, you can create the users like this, jobs, and the tag and triggered alerts, search and order and all severity. Next class, we will see all the things. Okay, apps and manage apps. See, Splunk deployment configurations like this, Splunk forward. These are the version 9.3.1 is the latest version of the Splunk. What is the use of Splunk means to create the dashboards of the particular application and the reports, creating the reports and alerts for the application and all the things. Install app from the file. Choose file. If you use CLI or existing app, you can use and upgrade the app and upload. Otherwise, you can cancel. Otherwise, create an app and other and upload asset and HTML or JS file and create the application like this. Okay. So here, administrator logout. So I will log out here and I will paste. This is ID. I am logging into this ID. Say it will like the same. My username is Ganesh. At the time of creation of Splunk, it will Splunk user ID and a password. While installing the Splunk, it asking username and passwords. So it will easily creating configure mobile devices, home administration and all the things. Get started. Russia Pacific Private, North America, save Splunk mobile. I will scan. This is the Splunk. This is Splunk. You can log in or alternative login here. Right, I will downloading in my mobile. So here, add new device. Alternative login. Wait, go open. I'm opening my mobile device. Sign in. Okay, ARHUTBT. Next, it will display in the code. Okay, see, username, then is password, confirm, like this. You can active the devices, manage notifications, build asset table, and like this. You can monitor in the console, notify, notify, administrator. Okay, like this. Deployment configuration, deployment apps, deployment detail, deployment like this. We will okay like this. It will shows dashboards, troubleshooting dashboard, or you can use here messages. Splunk gateway has been activated by Ganesh. Okay, message delete and Splunk data models, events, app data, everything is there. Okay, continue the tool, skip. This is the cloud computing and networking operating system and the security upload local CSV file you can upload and monitor and the TCP UDP protocols. Say remove the event logs and HTTP TCP UDP network protocols. Okay, like this. It will come up the next class. Okay, and forwarder Splunk forwarder is the main. Currently, there is no forwarder. Okay, this is the main activities in the Splunk. These are the server settings, the server controls. Restart the Splunk. Okay, like this. They are like this. We can use all the things. Next class, we creating the dashboards and all the things. Okay, thank you for watching this. Kindly share and subscribe the channel. Okay.